holding the building blocks of a strawberry on the end of this stick.
I have this lovely ripe strawberry in the garden, but instead of eating it, I'm going to extract its DNA.
To extract the strawberry's DNA, you're going to need the following things: dishwashing liquid, 100 ml of water, salt, cold rubbing alcohol, cheesecloth or some kind of cloth to help strain the mixture, Ziploc bag, and a toothpick or something to help extract the DNA at the end. The first thing we're going to do is remove the leafy part of the strawberry, pop it into the Ziploc bag, and mash it up. Now that that's all mashed up, let's prepare our extraction solution. 100 ml of water, 1 tablespoon of dishwashing liquid to help break down the cell walls, and half a teaspoon of salt to help the DNA clump together. Now we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of this extraction solution to our strawberry. Zip it up and give it another good mix for about a minute or 2. Now we're going to strain our solution, filtering out any solids and keeping the liquid. Now we're going to add our cold rubbing alcohol to the solution. Guys, how exciting is this? We have strawberry DNA.